Hi, this is Ezekiel, your messenger bot guide. Today, I will show you how to use one of our Flowbuilder component, which is the Carousel Component. This will allow you to send slide images to your readers or customers in both Facebook and Instagram. This will definitely be useful when you want to show multiple items in one response. And the best about this is that you can get these and other automated features for just as low as $9.99 a month. MessengerBot aims to be the best platform to go to manage your social media platforms. If you like what you hear, please do stay and watch the whole video. Also, if it don't bother you, please do like, share, and subscribe to our video. Without further ado, let's go to our messenger bot. Now, here is our messenger bot app. First, let's navigate in the left section of our messenger bot app here. Then look for Bot Manager. Once you click that, you will see our bot Flowbuilder. Here, you can create new flow, import bot settings, also import template. We also have pre-created templates for you to use if you do not want to use our create new flow here. We have real estate, automotive, collect customer feedback, and many more. Now, for this tutorial, I will show you how to create chatbot for your Facebook page or Instagram business account. Now, for you to create one, just click Create New Flow. Now, you will see this Start Bot Flow here. This will be the first component you will always see when you create a new flow. Now, of course, for us to start our bot, we need trigger keywords or action buttons. Here. Now, in trigger keywords, what this does is that you enter a word or a phrase that you want our bot to be triggered or to work. Let's say you put hello here. Then, if the customer or the reader typed hello, the bot will start. Now, for the action button, the customer will see a button there, a literary button. Then once they click it, the bot will start. Now, for this tutorial, I will just use the trigger keywords. Let's just remove this action button here. To remove a component, just right click on it, then click delete. Then, to enter details inside the component, just double click it. Then let's say here in our trigger keywords, our bot will react or be triggered when your customer says hello. Now you have the options here, the exact keyword or a string match. The exact keyword is that the customer needs to type this specific word here. Now, if you select the string match, if the customer enter a phrase or a sentence with this word, then the bot will also start. For now, let's just select the exact keyword match. Also, don't forget to attach it here. There. Now, we have the trigger keyword set up. Now here, in our Start Bot Flow, just double click it, then name your bot. Let's say Carousel demo. Okay, now let's put a text component here next to our start bot flow. So the customer will be greeted by a message that we'll be setting here. Of course, let's connect it first. Then let's enter our greetings here. You can also enter the first name and the last name of the customer. Also, you can put emoji here. You can also select typing on display, then select the delay in reply here. There. Now we have set up our greetings here. Then let's put another text component here. Let's say, please choose one of our products. Now, let's enter a button here that the customer can click. Let's say browse products. Then select the button type. You can select web view, user birthday, user email, and many more. But for this tutorial, I will just use the new postback. But if you created a postback already, just click the postback here. Then click done. Now, let's name this postback here. If you want to label this postback, just enter a label here. Also, if you have created a sequence message, you can also select it here. But for now, I will just click done. Then we will use our carousel component. Of course, we need to attach it here. Let's just put the typing on display. Then here is our carousel component. Now in this section, you can enter the images of your products. Let's say here, let's enter a t-shirt. There. If you have already saved an image into your hard drive, you can just put it here, or you can provide the reply image here, or the image link. Then let's name this image here, or this item. Let's say white tee. Then click done. Also, you can put subtitle here if you want. There. Now, that's our first item. Now, I'll just fill up these two here. There. Now, we have successfully input our product images here. Now here, in the button, is where you can put the buy button for your customer. Let's double click it. So let's name the button. Let's say buy. Then the button type. You can select new post back, web URL, and anything here. Just I have explained to you before. Now for this tutorial, I will just choose new post back. Let's do the same with these two button component here. Then, let's also name the post back here. There. Now, let's try to use a user input flow here so we can gather the customer's information such as there. Now, let's use a user input flow here. So, we can gather customers' informations such as email, address, phone number, and many more. Since I already created a user input flow before I created this video, I will just use the one that I've created. But if you want to know how to create one, just watch my other videos. Now, let's attach it here. Then double click the user input flow. Now, if you have created an user input flow, you just select it here. This is the one that I've created. If you want to add a new user input flow or customize your very own questions, just click the add new input flow. There. Now, let's add other user input flow here. Perfect. Now, we have created a very simple chatbot that you can show a customer your products and let them buy it from you, and also gather some of their informations. Now, let's try this in our demo Facebook page. But first, don't forget to save this. Just click this or press Ctrl S. There. Now we have successfully saved our first chatbot using our carousel component. Now, if you want to test it, just click the Facebook page here. it will prompt you to the Facebook page that you have associated to your Messenger bot. Now this is my demo Facebook page. Now first, let's try this. I will just select my personal account here. Then let's try to message our Facebook page. Okay, if you still remember, the trigger words that we used is the hello word. So let's type the hello here. Then the bot should reply. There. Thank you for visiting our shop. Please feel free to browse our shop. Please choose one of our products, then the customer's name. Then this is the button. Then once we click this, we will receive the Carousel Component response. There. Now these are the items that we have entered in our carousel. Now, if you click the Buy Now button, the bot will trigger the user input flow and ask for our details, like this one. Please provide your email address. So let's say this is my email address. It will also ask for your phone number. Then the delivery address. There. Now, all of these informations are saved inside our Messenger bot. So you can use this to contact or segregate your customers, or even fulfill the customer's order. Okay, now that's our Carousel Component. I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or comments, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. And please do subscribe in this video and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos comes out. Okay, let's finish it up here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.